All right, Facebook, how's everybody doing out there? Dante Bona, OnlyWoodFloors, and here we are, Beverly Hills. I just got the second coat down. It's dry. I'm gonna show you guys what we got before we put the third and final coat. So there's really no difference as far as everything. Originally, they wanted to go with the matte, but after seeing the satin finish, they're gonna stick with the satin. So let me turn this thing around, show you what we got going on, all right? All right, let me show you guys that beautiful view. Downtown, all that. So here's what we got. So, excuse the dust, but so we did a hybrid stain of 4 parts natural, 1 part early American. And this is the color we got. Everybody's happy. Blends in very nice. Excuse that dust. But it's the closet. Everything's nice and done. Go. But beautiful. Very beautiful. So that's it. That's what the final product's gonna look like. We're just gonna put that last coat down and get this all done. Everybody take care.